welcome back to our channel.
It's Kristen
and Kayla,
and it's Throwback Thursday. You could probably tell from the title what this video is going to be about.
And honestly, I'm really nervous because a lot of people that I've seen do this look like they're in so much pain. Today we'll be doing a Blackhead Remover Mask that we purchased at Joann's fabric store. I'll leave the link down in the description box for you guys below.
Like this video if you think it's going to work and see if our blackheads come out.
So for the first part of instructions, it says get a warm towel and apply it to your face to open up your pores.
Then apply it.
Once you've applied it, you leave it on until it is no longer tacky.
Lastly, you just peel it off.
Let's see if it works.
So we have a damp, warm towel that we're just going to lay on our face.
Once you have it on there for a little while, your face should feel a little moist. And then once it feels moist, you're going to move on to your container of the Blackhead mask.
If you're wondering why our hair is a hot mess, it's because we don't want this mask in our hair. So we just put it up. Is it open? Show the camera how dark it is. We just opened it.
Okay.
So we just opened it. And let's put it on.
Okay.
That's a lot.
So this is very runny. Be careful when you guys open it.
Oh yeah, it is. It feels like glue a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. You're good.
I'm getting anxiety just in case you guys are wondering because this seems like it's not going to be
Kayla, is it okay for me?
fun. Yes. Oh.
It feels like glue.
Remember, you guys don't want to put this around your eyes or very close to your eyebrows because you don't want to pull your eyebrows off. That will not be a fun time.
Oh gosh, okay.
You need some more, Kristen.
Okay, I need to open. It feels like glue, you guys. Like it's really like sticky.
Okay, make sure you guys get it on there.
You need more on your cheek.
On my cheeks?
Yes, like a lot.
Okay.
Like mine. Like, is mine okay?
Yes, but you put a lot on, so it might hurt when it comes off.
Kelly, you need a lot more.
Oh my
God.
This is really cold also, guys. It feels kind of refreshing though.
Oh good, I needed some on my forehead.
Oh!
Did you?
Don't do what I did and get it on Kristen's eyebrow. I'm sorry. Don't do that, guys. That's really bad.
At least if your eyebrows are dark, it won't like be that bad.
I have really light eyebrows, as
Yeah.
you guys can see, so I try to keep the hairs that I have.
I need some more, please. Thank
Okay. And we're gonna put a little bit more up here. It is very, very sticky.
And I'm connecting mine from like my hair.
Okay, I'm gonna put some right here.
Okay, so just
Let's see.
tap.
How's it look?
Looks okay.
Okay. Hold on, we're gonna go in the mirror and fix it. We'll be right back. So we're back. We applied it. As you can see, Kristen did all over her face. Yes. I did not because I am very nervous and I didn't want that paint all over.
Uh-oh.
So now we just have to leave it on for a little bit.
Well, how many minutes do we have to keep it on for?
Well, the instructions just say till it's not tacky, so I don't know. It could be as long as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, who knows?
Oh no, that it might take a long time to try.
It's getting hard now though.
Yeah.
You can feel your face starts to feel very tight.
And like you can't talk.
And it just hurts.
Yeah. So like right here and right here.
Oh, it's still tacky, as you can see.
Guys, don't touch your face right after you put it on like Kayla did, because it's still tacky.
Let's just try to dry this up so we can speed up this process and get the paint over with.
Come on. And you can feel it like when it dries. Like it's really nice. Still tacky.
I don't think that's helping, but we tried.
Oh
Okay. It'd be helpful if you guys have a fan. Let me see. Is this still sticky? Oh! It's sticky. My bad. Let's just keep trying to dry it. You guys might want to have like a little mini fan right here to help you guys out.
Yeah.
It's been about 10 minutes now, guys. As you can see, the color is different. It is very hard to move our face because it is getting very hard. So it's not all the way dry yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think we might be able to start peeling, actually.
Because mine is actually getting a little bit dry.
Let's see.
Okay. I'm gonna like stretch my face out. Like
start from my nose.
I'm gonna start from my chin. So I'm gonna go like move my face like. Oh my gosh! When you feel that, you could just feel all of it crackling.
So it actually doesn't hurt too bad. Right now, anyway.
Yeah, it doesn't. It actually like feels like a mask. You're feeling it off. And I'm pretty hurt.
Okay, it hurts on your cheeks. I lied. That part hurts. Okay.
Ouch. Ow. That hurts.
Ow. Okay. No, yeah. Don't put it too high.
Ow. Ow, that hurts. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Okay, guys, this is like ripping off a Band-Aid, so just go ahead and rip it out. And rip it off. Just do it. Just get it over with. Okay, we're making some progress.
Ow, that hurts.
I don't know why you put it over your face. I told you not to.
This hurts. Ow. Ow, this hurts.
Okay, let's see. I got most of it off right here.
I did not at all. As you can see, ow, it's like pulling out your pores. Ow.
Okay. I'm not really sure it took anything off my face.
Ouch.
We got anything off.
Ow.
You need some help.
No.
Just rip it off.
No.
Like this. See, just.
Ow.
Let me see. Let me see.
Ow,
Kristen, let me see.
My eye is watering.
Let me see.
Hold on. Okay.
Let me see.
No.
I'll do it softly. I'll do it softly.
It's okay, I'll do it. I got it.
I'll do it softly.
Ow, it hurts on your nose a lot.
Mine didn't hurt too bad. It hurts more on
hurts.
the forehead. Ow. 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 Oh, I got my hair.
Oh. I'm crying, guys. Oh my gosh. My eyes are
Okay,
watering.
got my hair. That's not a fun time.
Oh my gosh, my eyes are watering right now. Okay. Like Kayla said, just peel it off.
Oh, okay.
Peel it off like a Band-Aid. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Peel it off like a Band-Aid.
So rip some of my hair out.
Ow.
A little portion.
Ow, it hurt right there.
Okay.
Oh,
We're making progress.
This hurts. Ow, this hurts.
Put a little piece stuck in my hair.
Just hold your skin down so it like pulls.
Okay.
Oh, it hurts. It's on your forehead. Oh my gosh. I'm crying right now, guys. My eyes are watering.
Okay. Don't get it in your hair. Do not get it in your hair.
Oh gosh, this is so painful. Oh. Kayla just ripped it. It's okay.
Oh. Yeah, I got a good chunk of my hair out. That was not fun.
I think I got it off.
Let me see.
Don't. Oh.
You just gotta rip it off, people.
Kayla, hold on. It's like stuck to your face. Got right there.
Let's just try to scrape
Hold on.
this off.
Let's try to use our towel.
Okay. Oh man, it's still in my hair. Ow! Ow!
Get some of it. Guys, it's coming off with the towel. Try it with the towel. It works.
Do not get this in your hair like I did.
Oh, no, don't.
Okay, let's get our towels back now.
And just like try to like put it in a circular motion and try to rub. Guys, is it coming off? Kayla, is it coming off?
It's coming off.
Oh, nice. Your face looks a little red. But
I just peeled my skin off. Of course it's gonna be red.
But it looks good. It looks good. Like you got a lot of it out.
Let's see.
Let's see. I see a lot of hair in there.
Looks like we got some out. Look, guys. You see those little white things that came off my nose?
I have a lot of big ones. Like, can you see that? Like, I have a lot of big ones right there. But
well, guys, I think the goal was accomplished.
Yes.
Our faces hurt.
Yes.
Because that was very painful.
And it's a little red, but it helped us. Like, my skin feels soft.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment down below on how your experience was the mask.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Aloha.
And adios, Kristen and Kayla.